Guys, this is Dudek. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a video reaction for this iPhone that I have just received today. It's the iPhone 16. It's my first iPhone. Usually I used to use only Android. I have had all type of Android you can imagine. But yeah, so finally I'm joining the Apple team. So my order just arrived today, and I'm gonna be checking that box. Let me see if I can get it open. Oh my god. Where is it? It is really well closed, right? Okay. I'm so excited. Wow. Yeah, so when you open it, it just looks like this. So here we go. Yeah, so it's iPhone. I didn't want to buy the iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro because there was no huge difference, because the iPhone 16 it costed around close to 900 euro, and the iPhone 17 costed about 100 or 150 euro more, not that much difference to be honest. But then I just wanted to start trying this one, and the iPhone 17 Pro it cost around 1,400 euro, which is about 600 euro more than the 2016. So yeah, I didn't want to spend that much money to be honest, and this one I think is a very good one to start with. Let me just try to get to, I will open it, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the box doesn't have anything else inside. Yeah, it's empty. It doesn't have anything else. Right. So yeah, sorry, I'm gonna try to open it. First of all, oh my god, I didn't want to destroy the box, but it looks so good. Oh wow. Yeah, but it's, oh gosh. Yeah, I will have to break it, I didn't want to break the box, but I have to, because otherwise it's impossible to open this. It's really well closed. Okay, so yeah, because I'm those type of people that likes to keep the boxes even after buying the product. I do it with the shoes, so I used to do it also with the phone. You never know, so in case you will have to fix something or you have to return it for any reason, so, and you keep it new. Yeah, because if you buy a new phone and you want to keep this one, it's good. So first of all, I'm really surprised because it does have the cable, and I was even about to buy the cable, and only the cable costs 25 euro if I'm not mistaken, from 15 to 25 euro. And yeah, so thank you that the table is here, so I don't have to buy a new one anymore. Then yeah, here, so you have all the instruction. I'm not those type of people who reads the instruction of the phone. I guess everyone knows how the phone works generally, and yeah, otherwise I used to go online to any video and check how does it work or how to find this or that, and yes, wow. Okay, yeah, here we go. Yay, finally. Yeah, I was just buying a lot of people that has the iPhone, this and that, and I'm just surprised why it does have only 2 cameras and then the other ones have 3 cameras. So now I know the difference. The Pro are the one that has 3 cameras, either 13 Pro, 14 Pro, 16 Pro, 17 Pro. All the Pros are the one that has the 3 camera. And if you see anyone having an iPhone with 2 cameras, mean it's just a basic 16 15, 14, 13, 12, but it's not Pro or Plus. So yeah, so it's very nice actually. As you see here, it's really soft and it's not heavy, it's really light. So yeah, and even very comfortable on your hands. And yeah, I just wanted to read through quickly the characteristic of the phone. Yeah, so I wrote down everything, the technical characteristic of the iPhone 16. So you have it in different color. I prefer to buy it in black, you know, because I like it. I was about to buy it in blue, but like the black one, I like it more. But you have it in black, in blue, in green, steel actually, and then ultramarine is the blue one. Yeah. Then also white. Then so the one this iPhone 16, you have it only for a capacity of 128 gigabyte. But the iPhone 16 Plus, you have it either on with 128 gigabyte or 256 gigabyte. Then yeah, so the high is about 157.6 inches. Yeah, so it's about it's 147.2 millimeter, which means 5.81 inches. But like, I think like that's too boring, that doesn't interest people, not that much. But which is very important is the inches, you know, the screen inches, which is 6.1, and then the Plus will be 6.7, but the 6.1 is good enough. It's not that big, so I'm really happy. I don't like the phone that are too big. Then it does have splash water and dust. It is splash water and dust resistant, which makes me also very happy, because yeah, I used to have the phone around all the time. So yeah, having that is very good. And then it's also Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is integrated across this phone to help communicate and express yourself without much effort, you know. And then it has a chip, microchip inside. You also have the camera with 48 megapixel fusion main, and then yeah, digital zoom up to 10 times, which is very good, you know. So, and then the video recording is 4K, which is very good quality. I'm surprised, because I don't used to have that good quality, you know. Cinematic mode up to 4K HDR. Oh yeah, so I'm really happy with it. And then let me see, the battery up to 22 hours with video playback, and then audio playback 80-hour, video playback streaming up to 18 hours, which is very good, you know. Then both model built-in chargeable lithium-ion battery, and it charges very fast, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes only. Then it does have a Face ID, which is very important for me, because there are a lot of apps that you cannot use without having an iPhone, you know. And the Face ID is very good because it is a high security, which enabled by True Deep Camera for facial recognition. So the Android does have it, but the Apple is more secure, to be honest. That's why I passed to Apple now. And then I think it's important also, yeah, so it does have about to locate your phone, it does have something called iBeacon micro-location, which is just exclusively for Apple only, you know. The other phones doesn't have it. So it's very important if someone steal your phone or something, you will know exactly where your phone is. You can go online, put your phone number on the website, and then you will locate the phone directly. It will give you exact location, and if the person tries also to manipulate the phone, you get that person will be pictured, you know, so that person will see something like a flash, and you will even see the face of the person, which is also very good. So I said it is Face ID, proximity sensor, dual ambient light sensor, SIM card, a dual SIM card, which you can have the dual eSIM support, and it does have also the eSIM, which is the normal SIM, and nano SIM, you know, which is the smaller one. And yeah, video calling, audio calling, playback video. It has a lot of feature, which is like general for any phone. But yeah, so the most important thing here are the camera quality, the security integrated on the phone, then yeah, the battery, which takes up to 24 hours when if you are using it like very actively, and many different features. And yeah, so about application, you have all type of application you can imagine integrated, like basic application and beyond, because it does have even the watch, the Apple Watch, the Apple TV, which is exclusively only for Apple phones. And then you have the password folder, which save all your passwords, so you don't have to take note of them because it's not secure, or maybe have to remember them all the time. So it's a good advantage in here. And then yes, so language support, which is very important. So it supports any language, to be honest. Yeah, so mostly I would say 90% or 95% of the languages worldwide it does support it. And yeah, so in the box you will have the iPhone with iOS 26. Then you have the USB charger, which is here, the one I was showing you, cable with 1 meter cable, and then the documents. Yeah. Yeah, so I think that's it. Like, it's very important also to highlight that it's 100% recycled aluminum on thermal, so it's made by recycled material. Energy, over 30% of manufacturing electricity for iPhone 16 sourced from renewable electricity, which is very good. So meaning that even if you charge it many times, you won't be spending you won't be paying high bills on electricity, to make it easy and understandable. So yeah, that's all. I hope you found this video well. You click on the like button. Let me know your opinion if you have some iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 17, or you have other below. Let me know your experience if you bought this one, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.